morning everyone. I am Mayank, student of class 3rd D. Today I am going to discuss about different ways of cooking food. There are different ways of cooking food. They are boiling, steaming, frying, shallow frying, deep frying, baking, roasting and grilling. Boiling. In this method, water is taken in a vessel and boiled. As the water boils, food items like rice, vegetables, noodles or eggs are added to it. Example is shown in this picture. Steaming. In this method, the food items to be lifted above the boiling water and sealed in with a lid to be cooked by the steam, like idli. Frying. When the food is cooked in hot oil, it is called frying. There are two types of frying: shallow frying, deep frying. Shallow frying. When the food is fried with less oil, it is called shallow frying. Example is shown in this picture. Deep frying. When the food is completely dipped in the oil, it is called deep frying, like French fries. Baking. In baking, the food item to be cooked is placed in an oven and heated to a temperature, like cakes. Roasting. In roasting, the food item is cooked slowly on low heat in an oven or over the fire. Grilling. A grill is used for grilling. The food item is placed on the grill and cooked over strong heat. Grilling uses little or no oil. Example is shown in the picture. That's all for today. Thank you.